Enjoy old-world European charm in the Stonebridge 3. This two-story, 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath has 3,465 square feet. There's an optional 3-car side entry garage. Enter through decorative glass-paned double front doors and into a gallery-style foyer with soaring 19-foot ceilings and hardwood floors. To the right of the foyer is a study or guest bedroom. An attached guest bath has a walk-in shower. To the left of the foyer is the formal living room with vaulted ceiling. Walk into the dining room under the arched access. Past the stairs is the large utility room with built-in cabinets and laundry sink. Down a short hallway is the fabulous master suite with tray ceiling, large bay area, and a large walk-in closet. The master bath has separate his and her vanities with granite countertops, a walk-in shower with glass block accents, and a romantic jetted tub. Beyond the dining room is the gathering room. The airy gathering room has a vaulted ceiling and an inviting corner gas fireplace. Glass-paned French doors lead to the screened patio. The spacious screened patio is perfect for entertaining. Adjoining the gathering room is the elegant gourmet kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops and hardwood cabinets with a custom chimney hood over the cooktop. Also included are a built-in stainless steel oven, microwave, and a large breakfast bar. A sunny breakfast nook has hardwood floors that flow from the kitchen. On the second floor are 3 guest bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet. One bedroom also has a vaulted ceiling. Each bedroom has an attached bath and share the tub-shower combination. This model also has an optional 3rd bedroom. Also upstairs is a large bonus room. This room would be perfect as a kid's playroom or a second living room. Enjoy an upscale Florida lifestyle like never before in the Stonebridge 3. For more information, call ICI Homes at 855-217-4296 or visit www.icihomes.com.